This $249 iPhone 11 repair is dedicated to Mr. D of T-Mobil. Thank you, sir. I really appreciate your referral. Client would like to get it repaired. There's a small crack and fracture near the earpiece and also dot projector. Electrical scanner is showing at 1.8 amps. Charge port is fitting snug and secure. Volume down, volume up, volume rocker, and power button has positive tactile feedback. Rear panel does not appear to be fractured. Rear camera lens does not appear to be fractured. The display itself has ruptures internally. This makes the phone difficult to use. It's hard to access the passcode and transfer data. Now the client would like to service the screen so that he can gain access to the data and transfer it to his new iPhone 13 Pro Max, in which he will purchase from T-Mobil. It's so wholesome and wonderful to see repair facilities helping each other out and also helping the customer out. I appreciate that. Please follow, like, and comment for more. Meanwhile, let's get started. Step 1, open it like a mystery. Step 2, remove the screws like this. And then remove the cover plate like that. Afterwards, turn off the device like that. See? Disconnect the LCD cable, disconnect the digitizer cable, disconnect the upper earpiece module, and remove the display panel. At this stage, we will want to remove these 1, 2, 3, 4 screws like this. Then you'll want to remove the upper earpiece module like that. Bring out the new part, remove the protective film. Insert the projector gently and fold the upper earpiece over like that. Reinstall the upper screws. And time to bring it over so we can reassemble it. Perform a quick power on test. I appreciate it, Mr. D of T-Mobil.